Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are dive into Nothing Phone 2a. We got the official design now and it bit a different from what we expect. Elder we talked Nothing Phone 2a would look one way, but it's actually more similar to the Nothing Phone 1. It seems there won't be any special interface, just some small lights on back. The design is most like the Nothing Phone 1 with few tweaks. Some folks think Nothing Phone 2a resemble the rumored iPhone 16. The camera layout matches the official pictures, giving a Nothing Phone 2a a sleek look. There is some rumors that says Nothing will launch two budget phones, one with MediaTek chipset and one with Snapdragon chipset. I think that could be an interesting move. There is some confusion why Nothing went with MediaTek 7200 chip instead of Snapdragon chip. While the MediaTek chip is good, some feel a Snapdragon chip might be have a better choice. The Nothing Phone 2a is expected to cost around $450. It will come with either 8GB RAM or 128GB of storage, and also Nothing offers 256GB storage variants. I think it seems like good deal for what you are getting. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2a looks like a neat phone with familiar design and some cool features. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and please like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.